The translation industry faces new demands and challenges. Clients expect rapid production cycles and superior quality. Agencies and translators are collaborating in new ways with community and crowdsourcing models. However, as these demands have grown and evolved, translation productivity technology has not kept pace. In today's Web 2.0 enabled world, productivity tools of all types are available on demand, live, in real time, and flexible for social collaboration. That is with the exception of outdated, static translation memory tools that require you to invest upfront money, endure frustrating maintenance cycles, and manage compatibility complexity. Beyond these challenges, relying on traditional on-premise translation memory offerings requires an IT infrastructure which incurs support costs, mandatory upgrades, and the headaches of evaluating whether your technology can adapt to your changing business cycles and new opportunities. This outdated model for translation technology comes down to a costly bottom-line trade-off, growing your business versus maintaining your technology, until now. With the translation workspace from Lionbridge, buyers and suppliers of translation services from around the globe can connect, collaborate, and complete translation projects, all without having to make upfront capital investments in on-premise translation productivity software. With the translation workspace, the industry-leading software-as-a-service platform, all members of the translation ecosystem, including enterprises, agencies, and individual translators, can execute translation projects with live assets on demand, meeting the changing demands of today's translation industry. The Translation Workspace is a next-generation online language technology platform specifically designed to enable subscribers to leverage live linguistic assets in a single, open environment with time-tested performance. As a true SaaS architected platform, Translation Workspace scales to industry levels with ease, without the typical need for upfront investments and ongoing expenses associated with closed legacy client-server systems. Processing more than 60 million words each month by thousands of concurrent users across 160 different language pairs, the Translation Workspace is the largest, most reliable translation platform in the industry. With response times measured in milliseconds, Translation Workspace enables globally distributed teams of linguists to dramatically increase throughput compared to competitive translation productivity systems. Subscribers to Translation Workspace can access platform functionality in an innovative, pay-for-use subscription model that delivers unparalleled value. Through their subscriptions, freelancers, agencies, and enterprises can use Translation Workspace at a level that fits their immediate as well as their ever-changing project needs and budgets. The Translation Workspace supports the way you work and allows you to add users or capacity when you need it. Translation Workspace is a translation productivity platform. Translators use the features of the workspace to create and manage translation projects, automate the translation process, and leverage linguistic assets over future projects. Within the Translation Workspace, platform subscribers can easily prepare a wide range of content types for translation, configure, share, and manage live assets including translation memories, glossaries, and review packages, translate, review, and approve content, track and analyze project metrics. Because of the Translation Workspace's live asset model, you can merge TMs on the fly, as well as link TMs together to maximize your assets and improve the consistency of your content. By hosting your assets in the cloud, the Translation Workspace simply eliminates rather than automates many of the activities that users of on-premise translation tools find themselves struggling with. With the Translation Workspace, you eliminate compatibility issues, manual file merging, and IT overhead. In addition to this reduction in effort, subscribers are also assured that all contributing parties through the translation supply chain all have secure access to the same live language assets, eliminating out-of-date translations and needless rework. The Translation Workspace features a world-class certified data center with security, disaster recovery, and business continuity policies, which provide you with a fast and infinitely scalable platform, not limited like an on-premise client-server deployment. This is translation without boundaries, and it means that your work is always safe, always secure, and always accessible from anywhere in the world. The translator interface to live TM assets is facilitated through a client such as MS Word or an XLIF editor that leverages open industry standards. Translators can, for example, download and install a plugin for Microsoft Word that provides all of the enhanced functionality of Translation Workspace within a familiar Workbench interface. The XLIF editor provides robust parsing of all web file formats and allows the precision in segmentation that these file formats require, segment-level metadata and filtering, a multi-level context view and tag abstraction. Of course, this editor provides round-trip compatibility with the Word client, allowing seamless translation regardless of which front-end is used. When it comes to preparing online content for translation, Translation Workspace offers the Markup Language Assistant that allows robust parsing of all web content with customizable filtering, including hierarchical filtering and XPath filtering for XML. The Translation Workspace also provides robust quality assurance tools that can check for everything from mistranslations to number alignment. In order to provide the maximum flexibility to the translator to repurpose existing translations, language assets can be sequenced and weighted so that new translations take precedence over older translations from previous or related projects. At the same time, related content can be linked to the current project with penalties and premiums that allow you to maximize your leverage, but also distinguish between content that needs to remain different, whether it is from different product lines, groups, divisions, or clients. Through a standard web browser, subscribers can log into Translation Workspace to access, configure, and manage their live TM assets. Through this interface, users can decide how best to connect and prioritize their language assets in order to derive the most value possible. The two kinds of language assets in Translation Workspace are translation memories, TMs, and glossaries. The Translation Workspace provides anywhere, anytime access and live updates to translation memories and glossaries. Subscribers can create TMs and glossaries through import of standard interchange formats and can export assets for portability or offline archiving. Subscribers can create and maintain glossaries, linking them directly to translation memories to ensure that approved terms are automatically suggested to translators as they work. Users needing to collaborate throughout the ongoing lifecycle of terminology management will benefit from term status settings, approval reject capabilities, and flexible metadata and attribute fields. Subscribers tasked with reviews and approvals have dedicated online tools to quickly provide their feedback, which can easily be reported and reconciled. Asset sequencing functionality allows aggregation of repositories to form a vast store of efficient reference material, all in a subscriber's private cloud. Subscribers can also manage access to their TMs, glossaries, and review packages through asset aliasing, another innovative feature exclusive to the Translation Workspace. Asset aliasing allows subscribers to provide others with precise, secure access to live assets for determined periods of time. Aliasing provides appropriate security and privacy controls for both project owners and translators, while allowing work to be sent from owners to translators quickly and easily. By bringing contributors to the data in a live open system, Translation Workspace subscribers can completely sidestep the typical data latency and synchronization issues that are costly pitfalls when using on-premise translation tools that require distributing TMs and glossaries to far-flung resources. Working with live, hosted, and self-maintaining language assets, content owners can be assured that only the most current and relevant content is being reused and applied to their projects.